The Samsung Wireless LinkStick allows you to receive up-to-the-minute news and weather, listen to music, or watch your favorite movies wirelessly on your Samsung LED TV. The LinkStick is sold separately, but for purchase information, go to samsungparts.com. Watch this video to learn how to use the Samsung LinkStick. With your Samsung LED TV powered on, insert the LinkStick into one of the USB ports on the back of the television. Once connected, a wireless network device's connected message will appear, asking you to switch to a wireless network. Using the directional keys right or left on your remote, select Yes and press Enter. Now press the menu button on the remote. Using the directional keys, select Setup and press Enter. In the Setup menu, select Network Setup and press Enter. Now you must connect to what is called a wireless access point. In the Wireless Network Setup menu, highlight Select a Network and press Enter. The TV will begin searching for local wireless access points, and a list of found access points will appear. If the TV does not find your access point, press the red button on your remote to search again. When your access point is found, use the directional keys to select it and then press Enter. If your wireless connection is secured, meaning it needs a security key to access, a screen with a keyboard will appear. Using your remote, enter the security key for your network. When you are finished, press the blue button on the remote and the TV will start to connect to the internet. A brief connected message will appear, and you are now connected wirelessly to your TV. In some cases, you may have to power off your TV and then power it back on for the changes to take effect.